That's 5 seconds to go.
Yep.
Should be okay now. What are you doing now, Paul?
Is it done? Okay. Okay. I'm gonna put it now in the fixer. Okay, here we go. Ready and go. Mind you, underneath these chemicals, there's another level, and below that, there's an amp to power the subwoofer and all the other speakers. Oh God, man, that fixture stings.
Let's have a look at the speakers. Wow.
Pretty crazy, huh?
It is.
Let's take a look now.
Yeah. Let's do. Ta-da!
Oh my goodness. Holy cow. That is unbelievable. Oh my God. This is stunning. This is amazing. How about, can you see now?
Yeah. I'll go to the other side. Place your hand through the camera.
Yep. Just watch
That's
these.
right. Wow.
Can you see that?
Yeah. It does look good. It's upside down, but hey. Oh man.
Oh my God. And I got the glass. You see how it's just, it's too small.
Hmm.
So something to work on.
Yep.
Yep, there you go. Jesus Christ, this is amazing. Let me take this whole tray.
Can you?
Yep.
The lights off.
This looks awesome. What a progression, man.
Yeah, look at that.